thinking about what they said. Oh, look to walk in. It's little Miss Fatty McFatty. Just a fat potato. Why don't you just get out of here and leave before you embarrass yourself more? Go! Bye, Fatty. Not fat. Well, I have been eating a lot of junk food. Maybe I am fat. Maybe I should just listen to her. I'm gonna go for a hike. Maybe I'll a little bit burn a little more calories than I should. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go on a hike. Bye, Mom. I'm going on a hike. Bye. Bye, Lila and Ashley. I'll see you guys later, okay? You guys still sleeping in your crib? Yeah, we're totes twins, so we should share the same things. Okay, bye, Lila. Bye. Oh, wait, where are you going? A hike. Oh, yeah. Okay, bye. Bye. What's that over there? Like a little hole right there. Can I go in it? Oh, I can't. Whoa, where am I? Oh, it's a cute little pool thingy. What's that great thing down there? I think it's an exit. The ocean or something. I don't have my swimsuit on, but because I didn't think I'd need it, but might as well, right? Wait, I need to take my binoculars off. There we go. Now let's go swimming. This is nice. Wow, what is this? This is so cool. Well, I better get out of here. Whoa. Ow. That was so crazy. What happened? My binoculars, they're still here. So that means it was just a dream. My hair feels greasy, so I'm going to go take a bath. Let me take my gloves off. What the heck? Okay. This is weird. Is this my bathing suit top? I don't remember getting in my bathtub with a mermaid tail and a swimming suit top. Or a bikini, or whatever this is. I think it's a bikini, but... Okay. Well. I need to get out. Not a good idea. Oh, the bathtub. Okay, there we go. Let's go to my room, pop down the stairs, or just wait here until I'm dry. That's probably good. My towel. I'm gonna go to my room now and get dressed. Put these in the washroom. I'm gonna go to the beach. I was going to anyways before I went to hike, but I'm gonna go to the beach.